Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, here's my 3D room. Nothing really special. I kind of put up some Christmas lights because I had a Merry Christmas banner up there, so I was like, screw it, we'll put some Christmas lights up. Alright. Anyways, we'll start from over here. I got some little wall hanger stuff going on here. This is me right here. And then I got some masks. These are all miniature stuff. Joker. I put that one up there looking over the room, you know. Elvis Presley bust. Alien. Some lizards. This little guy I created on Maker Lab, I think it was. This is a fidget. You know, it spins. Also looks like a tire. This lid comes off, so you can put things in it. Little containers. Soap dish. Couple of containers. These are fidget rings. Oops. That one just went flying. But they spin, you can wear them. You can spin them during the day or at the office or whatever, you know. This one I seen, I was like, this is pretty cool. It had a nice flower and some flowers on its feet. And then the head, it looks like a frog. But it's got flowers for the eyes and stuff. So, and then I've got Mozart bust printing out. So That's at 100 speed right now. So. Alrighty. Well, I'll be back when this is done.